Hi everyone! So today's video is really all about how I go about fixing the seepage. In this box, if you watched my previous video, this is actually a second box that I did with my leftover paint, and because I rushed a little, I had a little bit of seepage. So whether it's white, black, no matter what the color, these are the steps that I use to go about fixing it. So generally speaking, I use, as you can see here, a utility knife. I also use a small woodworking chisel and some sandpaper. But at the end of the day, really, I use whatever I can find that works. But these steps have worked for me, like I said, no matter what color my seepage was. So I hope you enjoy watching. And you'll see at the end of the video, I've also posted a picture to show you on a box that I did that had some black seepage, and I was able to clean it up rather nicely. So enjoy watching the video.